What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So thank you very much, guys, for getting the previous video to 75 likes. Let's see if we can beat that record. It does help the channel out a lot, and it's free to do. So make sure you hit the like button down below. So let's take a look at Tesla. Since this week Monday, I was expecting a bounce up from this 242 level. That's what this drawing represents. A bounce up and then a breakout of this downward trend line off of the swing highs for new highs of this uptrend. However, that did not occur. So the reason being for that is because price was still getting rejected from this trend line that I drew right over here. So you can see that once price got rejected from the trend line, it was going towards the support, which is 242. And then you can see the earnings came out, which was not that great. But either way, there are some technical signs that would have warned me, saying that we could have easily just as went down. So I was looking for higher price targets. I believe that was about a 55-60% higher chance of occurring. But you see there is still a chance to go lower. And the reason being is that obviously the trend line and most of the reason is this measure move target is in play at the 191 level. So I got this leg from the previous impulse. This was one large leg down. The second impulse started back over here. This is the first attempt to reach the measurable target. Normally you don't see it fail until you see the second attempt. This was the second attempt. I was expecting the second attempt to fail at the 242 level and get that bounce up higher, but that did not occur. So it looks like the bears are tracking its way towards that measurable target at the 191 level. So that's the expectation now, is to see a little bit more downside on the price chart. We are nearing support at the 211 level, so I'll go and put a line circle there. So there is a chance that Tesla could bounce from there and fail to reach the measurable target and then move up higher. But if it does reach it, then the next target will be the 191 level. So that is the next target, and there's a good chance price may bounce from here. So this is actually a bullish sign, because you see that price crash down quickly. So whenever you see a large move in the market, it's going to rebound possibly just as fast back. So if Tesla does continue moving down sharply the way it's going right now, it can easily recover that in a few days to a few weeks. So again, this is actually not that bearish of a sign. Either way, there is this yellow channel in the past that was confirmed. So once we see a break of it, which we're getting right now, usually you'll see two pushes in that direction by the bulls. So that's the expectation. Just like this orange channel had a break, all of this is the break outside. You can see that we still are seeing the two pushes down by the bears. So Tesla basically short-term bearish, long-term it should push up higher. Again, that's the prediction. That's what the textbook says price should do. You know, if price does go down, that's not a big deal. It should continue higher. It can also do that from right over here at the 210 level, 211 level. What would be less likely is price reaching the measurable target and not trying to reverse, meaning it just bounces and then continues to drop down lower. That's a lower prediction. I believe Tesla is still going to push up higher after this drop is over. Here's a look at the weekly chart, and weekly chart shows that price is breaking below the EMA, coming back down to this 211 level. Good chance we will reach it, maybe even the 191 level, and then from there there's a good chance we see a reversal towards the upside. Again, not guaranteed. There are two market participants. You can technically say three: a buyer, a seller, and then a waiter. A waiter is someone who's just waiting to see what the market does. So let's just say there's technically three, but let's just say there's two. There's a buyer and a seller. So what is the buyers trying to do? What are the sellers trying to do? The sellers are trying to come back to this all-time lows right over here at the 112, 115 level. The reason being is that it was the low of this downtrend, and the downtrend could still be in play, so they're trying to reach it. What are the bulls trying to do? The bulls are trying to make a new high for this trend. They're trying to continue the trend momentum towards the upside. So they're trying to make a new high for this trend up. So you could think of it as a battle between buyers and sellers right over here. Are the bulls going to be able to rally price out of that measure move target or the 211 level towards the highs, or are they going to show signs of weakness and the bears are going to come back in and just continue, making lower lows, lower highs in the future? So again, let's see what happens. But my prediction is that we do see a little bit more downside, maybe the 191 level, And then from there, we can see a move up higher. So that's all I have for Tesla on the daily and weekly charts. Most likely, I'll give you guys an update on Monday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.